What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Qtum or Qtum, however you say it. As you guys can see, it has hit a huge green candlestick, which can only mean one thing guys. It has pumped up over 43% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just under $6. So we're going to be going through why is it pumping so much, what is next for Qtum. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down in value? And essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is now the right time to buy it, is it too late, or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading closer to the $10 mark over the coming weeks and months as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, which I will be using later on in the video. Sorry, the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Qtum, which is here in purple at $3.74. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at $5.86, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking quite skeptical. The blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what could this mean for Qtum? So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by the end of the day today, I am expecting the crypto to be hovering around the $6 mark is what I'm expecting. So let me go in a bit more detail. So I'm expecting it to hit more green candles over the coming hours, potentially heading up to about $6.50, $6.70, and then slowly starting to hit red candles towards later on this evening, towards the end of the day today, dropping down to around its current price range around $6 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason being is, yes, it's pumping right now, but it has to hit red candles in between and has to go for a little bit of a dip, especially after a major 42% increase guys. So that is the reasoning behind why I believe the crypto will be trading around its current price range by the end of the day today. Moving on to the hourly chart. This case here, we are looking way too steep. We got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction. However, the lines are looking very steep, meaning this is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Qtum or Qtum to have dropped back down in value just below $4.50. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for this is I'm expecting or predicting that the crypto is slightly overvalued and is due for a little bit of a step back in value over the coming week or so, dropping down to around $4.50 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So do expect more red days to follow for this crypto over the coming days. Again, doesn't mean it's going to keep hitting red candles for the next 7-8 days. It's likely to hit green candles as well, but as you guys can see, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit too steep once again, just like the previous chart guys. So it's not realistic once again. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, my expectations are for the crypto to be heading around the $5 mark. So still at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason is I'm expecting it to go for a price correction by mid to late March, dropping down to around $3 and then slowly starting to gain value by April, May, heading around the $5 mark. So going for a price correction and then slowly starting to increase in value is what I'm expecting for Qtum. However, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below and I'd be more than happy to do that for you guys. But at the moment, this is my take and my prediction on the crypto over the coming hours, days, weeks and months as well. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, let's have a look here. As you guys can see, we do have the lines here breaking out from the resistance target without any resistance. So that is another reason why I believe that the crypto is overvalued. Usually a crypto would resist like it has before. As you guys can see, when it broke out from the red zone into the green zone, it has resisted. However, this time is broken out from the green zone into the dark green zone and into the blue zone without any resistance, and that is another reason that proves my point as to why the crypto is not sustainable and is overvalued and is due for a price correction over the coming weeks. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 600% in the last 24 hours, making it $690 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is, according to Binance, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, so it is getting a lot of attention right now and a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people have started to trade the crypto. However, for those of you guys who are trading the crypto right now, make sure your risk management is on point, because it's pumped up quite a bit out of nowhere. Over the week it's done 76% and over the month 100% increase, which is fair enough. As you guys can see, the previous increases were slow and steady, except this one here over the last couple of hours where it's done a sudden major pump up in value. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Qtum, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024. Personally, $10 is reasonable. So in Q4 of 2024, I'm expecting the crypto to be hitting the $10 mark at a sustainable pace. But comment down below what your expectations are, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.